what? Infections. We can have cerebral edema. And other what? There are several causes which can cause. These are originating from the what? From the brain. Then we come to metabolic causes. Common one, hypoglycemia. Yes, me have seen a patient who comes when even the relatives are crying that he has died, he's unconscious. But you just give dextrose and the patient wakes up. Actually, marijuana drug is the issue of all the drugs in the world. Because it can raise the dead. So, what?
Hypoglycemia.
Hypoglycemia. Maybe they are giving someone what? Diazepam when all they need is what?